Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's tutorial I want to show you that how you can reduce your acne bumps. As you can see on my skin, there are little acne spots are there. So what I'm gonna do in this video, I will gonna give you a very genuine review of the product that I have just recently purchased from Amazon. So let's get started. The Urban Yog Acne Pimple Patches. I have bought this from Amazon because recently I have watched some vlogs, mini vlogs on Instagram, on YouTube also, where numerous of creators and influencers are promoting this acne patches. उनका कहना है कि अगर हम इन patches को overnight के लिए अपने इन acne bumps पर प्लेस कर दें, सो कुछ विजिबल रिजल्ट्स मिलते हैं. सो लेट्स जस्ट सी एंड आई होप कि ये जो एक्ने बम्स हैं ये कुछ कम हो जाए, अदरवाइज ये बहुत प्रॉब्लमेटिक हो सकते हैं. तो प्लीज़ रिजल्ट्स जानने के लिए मेरे साथ बने रहें एट द एंड ऑफ दिस वीडियो. जस्ट गोना ओपन द पैकेजिंग. दिस पैकेजिंग लुक्स लाइक दिस. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं नंबर्स ऑफ स्टेप्स आर रिटन दैट हाउ टू अप्लाई इट, और क्या डायरेक्शंस होनी चाहिए इन पैचेस को यूज़ करने की. सो इन दिस आई हैव गॉट दीज 2 पैचेस. सो इसमें से मैं एक पैच यूज़ करूँगी अभी for my acne. Pull this the bigger size patch for my acnes. First of all, I have a small bump on my forehead and a bump on my cheek. So I'm gonna apply it on my left cheek like this. Yeah, like this. Or overnight इसे रखते हैं. I'm gonna use several patches on other acne prone area also. Let's see what will be the result, and to see that result, please stay tuned with my channel.
A few moments later.
I'm back. मैंने इन patches को overnight छोड़ दिया था. I have used the patch over here also because I was having a little bump on my forehead as well. So मैं results देखने के लिए थोड़ी curious हूँ. I just wanted to see what magic does these patches have done on my face. So let's hope for the best. With the forehead one, this is because this one is the small patch. I hope it worked. Oh, as I can see, there's a little bump still here. I hope the bigger one have done some magic. No, the bump is still the same size. You can see मेरा acne mark is still the same, no changes. ना तो ये अंदर हुआ है और it paints the same. That आप इसे overnight तक छोड़ सकते हो to see the clear results, but I can see that no results are there, guys. So for me,
denied.
It's a big no. I don't know about you all, but it's just a review, a very genuine review, that if you are planning to buy these acne patches or any other acne patches online by seeing the influencers and creators, then please don't go with the flow, because कुछ नहीं होता इन सब से, ये सारे products से, because it is recommended to use them and leave them for at least 6 to 8 hours, but मैंने तो इसे overnight छोड़ा था so that कि थोड़ा results visible हों. But as you can see, zoom करके देख लेते हैं, no results, no results. It's just a waste for me. So thanks for watching my video, and अगर आप चाहते हैं कि मैं किसी और product का review करूँ, then just let me know in the comment box down below. And you can also subscribe to my channel if you are new on my channel, so that every time when I post my video, you will get notified as earlier as possible. एक नई वीडियो के साथ, maybe with the new product review. Till then, just stay tuned my channel and subscribe to my channel as soon as possible, and give support to my channel. Thank you.